Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Sammy. I am that crazy orchid lady. I wanted to do a follow-up video. I had a couple of people reach out to me and ask me whatever happened with a loose orchid, excuse me, that I had in one of my previous videos. I wanted to show you that I did remount her in the same mount. This mount is a cork. If you don't have any cork mounts, I suggest that you at least try one. Um, the orchid really loves the crevices of this of the cork. The roots just they get attached, but for some reason this one was not. It was not doing well, so I figured I would take it off. Didn't do too much to it. I used 2 zip ties. You know that I love using my zip ties. It's the easiest way to hang on to the orchids, and once they are attached, you can always snip it, cut it, and just throw them away. In the meantime, they really secure the orchid. I didn't do a good job the first time. Hopefully, I did a better job this time. If you notice, I left a little bit here exposed, and this is from the zip tie. And the reason I have that is because sometimes when the sphagnum moss gets dry, it gets loose a little bit. So what I do is I use this little bit to pull it and just tighten it just to secure it a little bit more. I do leave myself that out all the time, as you can see. As you can see right here, I did the same thing. I didn't put it too, I put it tight, but I didn't strangle the orchid because she's not going to be too happy if we do that. Now, I am hoping that it does attach. If you can see the roots right here, the root tips are green, and that means that she is happy. You see this root right here? It does nothing for the orchid. It's not, it's just there. I didn't cut it. I didn't want to mess with her too much because she has a lot of new roots, and I didn't want the plant to suffer too much. So what I did was I attached it, left it on there, and I put the moss back again. It's a live moss. Someone gave it to me. Thank you so very much. My orchids love it, and they look so pretty. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did with that today. I am going to put back the S hook. And that is about it. She's going to go to the same place I had her before. If you can see, I put the S hook like this. I'm going to go ahead and clip it right here. So, oops. Let me fix that a little better. Here we go. See? Tie it. The reason that I'm using this very loosely is because I'm hoping that once the orchid gets fully attached to this, I can just put this on one of my trees. So without further ado, let's put her in her spot. All right, guys, this is her new home. I put her in one of my trees. I had her originally in a screen that had other plants on them, but I decided to put this here along with my other cattleyas. I have another cattleya here, and she is super happy. Look at the roots on that. I got that at the last show with this one. This one, see, this is another one that I had on cork. See, same setup, and look how attached the roots are. See, this is a much different scenario than this poor old girl. So I went ahead and I think I did right by her. And this one is fantastic. Oh yeah, look at her. Let's look a little closer. Let's look a little closer on this one. You see that on the side? She is attached. And you look at these. Look at these roots down here. Oh, look at that. She has a growth right there. So yeah, definitely she is happy here. Yep. So there you go, guys. If you don't have a cork mount, I highly recommend it, especially since you can always put it in a big tree or wherever you want to mount her. And once she stops flowering, you can move her to a different place. Just remember though, they get really finicky. If they are doing great, they're thriving in one spot, you may want to leave her. You may want to leave her there. We'll talk about what's going on here in another video. This is just craziness going on over here. So for now, we're going to focus on this. We're going to focus on, yeah, it just rained. So the plants are super happy and green. And I'm hoping that this young lady is going to be extremely happy in this place as well. For now, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my channel. If you guys like this content, please subscribe. If you have an experience with any of your mounts that you want to share with us, please do so. This is an open channel. Anyone can comment, and I actually welcome it. I want to learn from you too. So please leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Have an awesome day, guys.